Understanding what's underground. When you look out over a landscape like this, what are you noticing? There are deciduous trees dropping their leaves, flowering plants, shrubs and grasses, pine trees, mushrooms, and clouds moving across the sky. But have you ever thought about what happens below the surface of the ground? Below ground, thousands of organisms live and help support the plants and animals that live above ground. These include earthworms, nematodes, bacteria, and fungi. Fungi are a type of organism that live almost everywhere, in the ocean, inside of animals, and even in the air. But they're especially important in soil. These organisms are neither plants nor animals, but they're crucial to the lives of many plants and animals. You may know about some things that use fungi. Yeast, for example, is an important type of fungus that's used to make bread and fermented drinks like beer and wine. Fungi are also important decomposers. Decomposing fungi can help break down material that's made by plants and animals. This releases nutrients into the soil. All the fallen leaves that you see here are being broken down by microscopic fungi. Even this huge log is being decomposed by fungi. You can see the fruit of these fungi growing on the log. Some familiar fungi are those that associate with plants. One important type of fungus that associates with plants is called mycorrhizae. This word simply means fungus and root. They're a fungus specialized to attach to plant roots. Over 80% of plants form this mutualism with mycorrhizal fungi. Some mycorrhizal fungi make the recognizable mushrooms that you may have seen while out walking in the forest or in your salad. These mushrooms, made by a certain type of mycorrhizal fungus that associates with pine and oak trees, allow fungi to reproduce. Some are tasty, but some are toxic, like this red fly agaric mushroom to the right. But the mushroom is just a small part of the fungus. The majority of the fungus lives underground as hyphae. The hyphae allow mycorrhizae to attach to the roots of trees and other plants and pick up nutrients and water in exchange for sugars. Some types of mycorrhizae never form mushrooms. They exist only as hyphae and can form mutualisms with all kinds of plants, including smaller ones like grasses and flowering herbs. The hyphae of mycorrhizae grow out into the soil, which allows them to use enzymes to absorb important resources from the soil. The mycorrhizae then transport water and nutrients, like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, to plants. This allows plants to produce more stems, leaves, and flowers. In exchange for this water and these nutrients, plants send sugars produced with the energy of the sun via photosynthesis to the mycorrhizae. This allows the fungi to grow even more. Then, because the mycorrhizal fungi have helped the plant grow larger, many cascading events affect above-ground organisms. For example, because the plant has produced more flowers, more insect pollinators are attracted to the plant. Then, more fruits are produced, which leads to more seeds. These seeds then allow the plant to increase its population size. So the next time you're outdoors enjoying a landscape, think about the world that exists underground. Don't forget the friendly fungi, mycorrhizae, and hyphae that live below ground and help all the plants and animals above ground thrive. Thanks for watching.